Hey guys, welcome back from Triple T. And as it is the new year, I thought of doing a different video, and it's on Quora. And the topic, as you guys can see from the screen, it is about getting more views in Quora, 1 to 3k views per day. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, before starting this video, I need to tell you that this is not clickbait. My video is real, and to prove that, I'm going to show it to you right now. This is my Quora account. As you guys can see, I have 345.5k content views, total views, and my most viewed answer is on what is Tesla, and I have 31.3k views on that. And within this month, I have earned about 107.9k views this month. And yeah, and I'm the admin of Carlavers, and please don't hesitate to follow that if you are Quora. And to prove more, I have my stats right here. As you guys can see, in the thumbnail, that I have mentioned that you can get 1 to 3k views per day. And to prove that, I'm going to show it to you right now. As you guys can see, every day I have got to 1 to 3k views. Yeah, yesterday I have got 2,150 views, and the day before 1,778, and that's what my least amount. And yeah, and my record is 8,324 views per day, and that was the day when I joined Technological Ideas Space as a moderator, and that's good. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys what's the space, and that space helps you to get more views on Quora. So wait for that, watch my videos, and maybe that will be the third part of it. Maybe that means the third part of this video. And for more proof, I'm going to show you how many upvotes I have. As you guys can see, I get 12, 33, 36, 78 views upvotes per day, and the shares, 63 shares. As you guys may know or not know, getting shares in Quora is a little bit hard. You need to get more practices. So to get shares, I'm going to teach you. I'm here to teach you. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the steps. So guys, the first step to get more views, I'm not going to tell you because I need to give you a more introduction. So guys, I'm planning to do three videos on this. That means the first video is about the first step, the second video will be on the second step, and the third video will be on the third step. And maybe in the third video I'll also give you 2 bonus steps, like the fourth and fifth steps. So stay tuned and watch it. So now I'm going to tell you the first step, and it is writing answers that are relevant to the question. Always try to write more informative and descriptive paragraphs, and also try to write long answers. So guys, this is the thing. When you're writing an answer to the question, it should be relevant to the question. Like as an example, if the question has asked what are the primary colors, the answer should be relevant to them, and that will be red, green and blue. So if you have written black, orange, something like that, and that means it's irrelevant to the question, the answer is. And that's one example. And the second point is always try to write more informative and descriptive paragraph. So guys, I mean by that is try to write more informative answers, like if I ask you the same question that I asked before, what are the primary colors in physics, and then if I only tell red, blue and green, that's not it, because you may get views or an upwards, but for the viewer that's not all. For me it's that's not all. For the others I don't know, maybe for them as well. So for me, I need to describe them. Why red, green and blue are the primary colors, like all the questions in that segment, I need to write them. So guys, to help you with them, just go to Google and then type for it. Don't copy it, take some ideas from it, and then write a summary and then or else write a Word document or write on your notebook about them and summarize them, and that summary will be your answer to the question. So my next point is, and also try to write long answers. And that's the thing, guys, writing long answers helps you to get more views on Quora, because the viewers like long answers. And also, guys, I need to mention one thing: writing long answers is not it. You should even write short answers, because in some instances you only need to write small answers. Like if you write very lengthy answers in the question that asks you maybe what is the highest grossing movie in the world, and that is, as you all may know, that's Avengers Endgame, maybe 75 billion dollars. So that's a short answer. You may include a picture, and then in that you don't need to write long answers. It's just a short answer. What's the world's highest grossing movie? That's it. And then that's what I'm talking about right now. There are some instances you don't need to write long answers, and the other instances you need to write long answers. So for an example, I'm going to show you one of my answers now. So guys, as you guys can see, I'm in my Quora profile now. So in my profile I have shared so many things and posted so many things on Spaces, and then to go to the answer section, just simply click on that. I have written 907 answers in my profile, and the most recent ones are here 5 hours ago. So guys, you may realize that in every answer I have written not very lengthy answers, but not even short, just a middle amount of characters. As you guys can see, they have asked, the question is, but the parent question is, what is the use of equivalent mass at all, the idea, blah blah blah. And then in the second section I have added another question, but that's like a part of the first question, like it's relevant to the first question, so the viewer can also get an idea of what does equivalent mass mean, and then what is equivalent mass calculated. So guys, to write these things you also need to have knowledge on them. So without having a knowledge on them, I do not recommend writing them. So as you guys can see, in every one of my answers I have like 3 categories in my one, as you guys may know, and see. And also in this answer I have been a bit lengthy answer, because that's a question that you need to write in a long answer. The question is, why can't a physicist create a Microsoft for a quantum world? And that you need to write more answers on, because quantum physics is a great topic. And then as you guys can see, I have added some more relevant questions. How does a quantum microscope work? Can atoms be seen under an electron microscope? Can you actually see an atom? Is the quantum realm real? And that's it. And then guys, I really recommend you to use pictures in your answers, because it makes it more attractive to the viewer, and then that means it get more views, and then also many upvotes. So guys, upvotes are like likes in Instagram, Twitter, and my record is this has 82 upvotes. And then there's another question that I got so many upvotes, and that is about I shared it like some long ago, as you guys can see, not long ago, January 2nd, and I shared it on the technological idea space. As I mentioned before, I'm a moderator on that, shout out to it. And also guys, as I mentioned before, watch my next video, and I'm going to tell you guys about what is the technological idea space, all about that, on why is it important, why is it related to getting more views on Quora. I'm going to show you that. And for that share I have got 12.9k views and then 99 upvotes. So guys, that's my highest record, and every answer I have got even one upvote, as you guys can see. So back to the presentation. So guys, special message, the step 2 and the part 2 of this video will be uploaded in the next week, but I'll do it in the same day today, all the 3 parts, and then upload in 3 different days. And that's also a way to get more views on YouTube. I may teach you that maybe in future months. And guys, I can promise you that we can pass 50 videos in our channel or even more. And guys, so yeah, I have done many things to my channel. So yeah, and I have also taught you many things, like how to create your own website, how to get more views like this video. So yeah, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, leave a like in this video, and comment down below what should be my next video. And guys, please subscribe, I need them.